LG Dishwasher Repair Services in Los Angeles specializes in LG dishwasher repair that consists of LG front-load dishwasher repair and LG top-load dishwasher repair, along with all other LG dishwasher models. If you are having problems with your LG dishwasher, such as the dishwasher doesn't clean, dishwasher won't drain, the dishwasher buttons don't work, dishwasher lights are flashing, dishwasher's leaking, maybe your dishwasher won't start or the dishwasher won't latch, the dishwasher won't fill or the dishwasher's overflowing, maybe the dishwasher won't dry dishes. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.